Alright guys, I'm going to hook up the amp to my mids and highs and get the distribution block going. I just got a 4-gauge Raptor silver 4-gauge, yeah. And I'll get back to you when I'm halfway done. Alright, so, and I think I know how to put, like, I cut one video and make another one. I know how to put them in now. I didn't know how to do that, so it's a lot easier. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am almost done. I got the distribution block. I got the ground for the amp. And I know it's sloppy. I don't have what the fuck is it called? I have what the hell's it called, man? I just had a brain fart. A terminal. There we go. I think, yeah. So, yeah. I got them ran. All I gotta do is hook them up to these. I'm gonna get bigger ones because these can't handle anything. So, yeah, I'll get back again next time when it's running. Hey guys, I need help. Anybody can help me out. I got the ground, the power, the remote, speakers, and then this. It's the first time I ever do it. And I thought I knew it, but I don't. So, doesn't the main one have to go, this one, have to go in one of the, fuck, I don't know. Can someone just tell me how? Because I have one that, I have 4 of them in the back of the radio, which is for the subwoofer and for the speakers. But the one I have both RCAs run back here, but the one for the door speakers is too short, so I had to get that. And I know I can like put it from one amp to another, but I just don't know right now how. Anybody can help me. You have line input channel 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I got line output channel 1, channel 2, and I got the high input. If anybody, please help me. I need help. Don't know what the fuck to do. But yeah, I'd appreciate it.
I know.
Uh-oh. My amp was about to fall. I gotta strap that bitch down. Well, I still don't have the amp hooked up. I have it hooked up, but I don't have the RCAs in, so if anybody can help me, please.
Send a comment.
How'd that sound?
Unbelievable.
Well, folks, that's all. That's a new amp. I don't have the 6x9s in the back, or no, 6.5s in the back, because I have them hooked up to the amp.